In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage product options in Wix. To get started, head over to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Catalog. Then navigate to Store Products and select Products. This is where you will manage the items available in your store. Next, click New Product. Wix will ask what kind of product you want to create. So choose the option that fits your item: physical product, digital file, or print on demand. Once you've selected the product type, you can begin entering the basic details. Add your product name and description carefully, since this information helps customers understand exactly what you are selling. After that, move down to the pricing section. Here, you can enter the regular price, a strike-through price if you want to show a discount or original value, and the cost of goods. Adding these details helps you organize your product information more accurately and can also make it easier to track profitability. Then add your product media, such as images or other visuals. Good media can make a big difference, especially when customers are choosing between options like colors or materials. Next, go to the inventory area. If you want Wix to keep track of how many units you have available, enable Track Inventory and enter the exact stock quantity. This is especially useful if you don't want to oversell products. Now scroll down to the Product Options section and click Add Option. This is where you create selectable choices for your customers, such as size, color, or material. Enter the option name first. Then choose the field type. Use colors if the option is based on color. You can pick or type in the colors and even connect specific images to each one, which helps customers see exactly what they're selecting. If the option is something else, like size or material, choose text choices. Enter each choice one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. And then click Add. Once your options are saved, Wix automatically generates all possible product variants. To manage them, click Edit Variants. A table will appear showing every combination. From here, you can adjust the price and cost for each variant individually. Enable inventory tracking and enter exact stock quantities. Assign a unique SKU, and customize the shipping weight if your shipping settings are based on weight. When you are done making changes, click Apply and Continue. Then click Save to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.